Hello, welcome back to Professor Kat's classroom. During the last time, we talked about the basic pronunciation in Japanese. Remember this table, right? Goju onzi. And here, this time, we are going to talk about some advanced pronunciation like voiced sound and semi-voiced sound here. You can see K becomes G in this table, and S are linked to Z, T, and D. H comes P, P, and B. So this small table is the voiced sound in Japanese, and the symbol of voiced sound is 2 points on the right up here. And the pronunciation is very simple. It goes like ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Next, za, ji, z, ze, zo. And D line, da, ji, z, de, do. Okay, you may notice that this pink part, right? The pink part means special sound. And you see these two, they share the same pronunciation, and these two are the same. So how to distinguish these four? In modern Japanese, the up to, these two, are more frequently used. These two, just remember the unusual case is okay. Okay, let's go on. B, ba, bi, bu, be, bo, pa, pi, pu, pe, po. The symbol of semi-voiced sound here, a small circle. It's quite simple. So after the voiced sound in Japanese, we are going to talk about the contracted sound. First, I will give you several seconds to observe this pronunciation. Are there any special point here? You can see the ya, you, yo repeat so many times in this table, right? And what about the sound before ya, you, yo? Ki, shi, chi, ni, hi, mi, li, gi, ji, li, pi. So they're all from this line, right? They share the same vowel, e. So these are the contracted sound in Japanese. And the pronunciation of these sounds may be a little bit difficult for some language speakers. Okay, let's see. Kya, kyu, kyo. And the alphabet of this pronunciation very simple, K-Y-A, goes like this. But from the second to the third, they're a little bit special. Sha, shu, sho. So please note it that it's not, the pronunciation is not sha, shu, sho. It's sha, shu, sho. And also the alphabet here, it can be written in S-Y-A, S-Y-U, S-Y-O. It can go like this. And next line, cha, chu, cho. And the same can be input as C-Y-A, C-Y-U, C-Y-O. Next, nya, nyu, nyo, hya, hyu, hyo, mya, myu, myo, lia, liu, lyo, gya, gyu, gyo, ja, ju, jo, 야, 뷰, 뼈, 펴, 퓨, 펴. Also, this line, they can be written in J, Y, A, J, Y, U, J, Y, O. Goes like this. But please notice that all these contracted sounds, the ya, you, yo must be written in smaller size here. Smaller. And if you are going to write Japanese into these blocks, so please remember when you are writing contracted sound, it should be written in 2 blocks. Goes like this. Yeah. And here they tell you the special sound, special pronunciation here. We all noticed. So these all are the basic pronunciation in Japanese. Of course, it has some more complicated phenomena in Japanese pronunciation, like a short version or long version. We will talk it later. And in this textbook, it gives you some basic or daily expression of phrases. They are very useful in Japanese. Like this, Ohayo gozaimasu. You can see the picture here, the sun is rising, so it's to used for morning greeting, means good morning in Japanese. Of course, you can read it after the soundtrack or memorize it, but I suggest after you remember all these hiragana here, characters in Japanese, you can use all these phrases and all these words to have some dictation to check if you are really mastered, if you really mastered or not. So all this, they are attached with soundtrack. You can listen to them and write it down and then check it. It's very useful. So these are all the context about the basic pronunciation. If you think my video is useful, please give me some like. Thank you. And next time we're going to talk about the lesson 2. Bye bye.